7, 8.
Good morning, kitty girls. If you can't tell, I am not at my typical airport that I like to travel from, but I just have a little announcement to make. It's a bit of a secret I've been keeping from you guys, but it's happening now, so I can spill the beans. But we're currently at, I believe it's called Harry Reid International at Las Vegas. If you can't tell by the fucking slot machines behind me, we're gambling and getting around, I guess. But I have a 4-hour layover, which I've never had before, so we've got to find a way to entertain ourselves for 4 hours. I thought maybe we'd explore since we've never been here before. I thought I was in a nice little quiet, cozy corner, but apparently it's jumping over here. This is like the Silk Road, I guess. Everyone's traveling it. But yeah, she's cute. She's fun. Peep the fit. I got the shoes match the shirt match the bag match the shoes. It all goes. But yeah, we're going to, I need to fix my face and do my hair because I kind of just rolled out of bed and drove to the airport, and now we're here. But hopefully the bathroom isn't busted because this airport, it's giving, como se dice, ghetto? Yeah. There's 2 flights before mine at my gate, so I have no choice but to walk around and find something to do because there's so many fucking people there. I can't even sit down if I wanted to. But right now, let me show you guys something because I walked past something earlier and I just need you to see because it was so ridiculous that, like, watch this. Girl, they've got a lounge in the airport and it's not I don't know, I'm not going in there. It's a bit scary. There was a man smoking a cigarette earlier. It's 1964. But there's Duncan. Kylie, what are you doing here? Girl, I thought you were out of business. Hey, look at all the cute little keychains. Maybe I'll get my roommate a souvenir because I don't need any more keychains. I think I have, which one do I have? Oh, this is cute. Not $7.99 cute. I have a little coin from here. And it looks like there's just slots everywhere. It's really adhering to the theme of being in Vegas. This is the girl in yellow I was talking about that looks like the guy that's with Curious George, you know? The one in the yellow hat, the man in the yellow hat, she looked just like him. Twin. It's twin them. And I like his little jacket. Oh, yeah. I am going to film this one last time and just hope, I'm praying that I'm in frame because fuck it, we ball. But if you're wondering why I'm not in class right now, why I'm not on campus, because that was just my last video, mind your business, 1. 2, thank you for being concerned. And 3, the homework is good. The homework is turned in. Don't worry about me, ho.
Takes a bag. Don't worry about what I'm doing. I hate when I get up and the bitch asks where you going.
So now, my goodness. Girl. Yeah, so if you didn't get the game plan the first time, we've got to go beat our face, go fix our hair, find a nice spot in front of our gate to sit, and then just vibe, twin, because what else is there to do? I can't gamble. I can't do any of the Vegas things that are in the Vegas airport. So all I can do is show you, and maybe you think it's interesting. Right now I'm sitting at Wheel of Fortune and probably going to take a cute little thumbnail over here, and then we're going to hit the road and try to find a good bathroom because the one I walked past on the way over here, it was a bit packed. She was jumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. It's 11:30 in the bathroom, jumping. It's not even 11:30 yet. It's not even 8:30 yet. I've been sitting here for approximately 10 minutes just trying to get a good intro because this is what you guys mean to me. So yeah. Long time no talk. I'm currently, hold on. I'm on my way back to my gate. Oh my God, you did not see that. Nobody saw that. But why did some people just come up to me and I didn't say I got recognized, but they fucking said, can we subscribe to your channel? Sure, subscribe, but...
Flight 378 with service to Detroit.
Hold on.
Will now depart from gate A5 at 12:02 p.m. Thank you.
Hold for announcement, but now that she's done, I can finish telling you the tea. They came up to me and was like, hey, we saw you vlogging earlier. No shit, no tea. I've got my arm extended all the way out in the middle of this airport. But yeah, they said, we saw you vlogging earlier. Do you have a channel? Are you a YouTuber? Are you famous? So, hi, if you're watching this. I should have recorded you guys. I should have asked if you wanted to be in the vlog, but we'll meet again. I neglected you guys for a little bit, but I'm back and I'm better. I'm ready to beat my face. I already curled my hair, which we'll probably have to hit again before we get on the plane, but got my handy dandy iPad to see my face since there's not exactly a mirror. Well, I mean, I've got, this is the mirror, but I really can't see myself out of this iPad either. Hold on. That's a little bit better. And if the light is too much on my face, I apologize. I can't really see if I'm overexposed right now. I definitely am in this iPad. I'm just doing a quick beat, so it doesn't really matter, but how has your day been? I've been running ragged around this airport. There's not much for me to participate in since all the food is like, the lines are around the building. Everyone is eating the same thing. There's only so many options. And they have Shake Shack. I was gonna try Shake Shack for the first time, but I said, in an airport, it's not really how I want to define my Shake Shack experience. I don't think so. So I didn't get Shake Shack. There's a Jamba Juice. That's it. I'm spoiled from DFW though. I'm used to having 5 different restaurants right around the corner from my gate. Like, I don't know, maybe I have to walk a little bit further to find something to eat. I'm just not willing to do that right now, babe. I've been doing this new thing too, where like I'll show you with the eyes. I do a little bit of contour on the, like, to smoke it out, to give it some shape before I just shape. This blush. Take this little, just a little highlighter, because I don't know, they must be talking about whoever just lost their phone, which, congratulations, I'm glad you got your shit back, because a bitch like me, I would have had to teach you a thing or two about strangers. No, I love being a good Samaritan and giving people stuff, like turning it in, because if it were me, that's what I would want. And it must be something in the air, because another one of the girlies I follow on TikTok, she's also going no contact with her man, so it's the season of letting go of men who stress you out. Are we doing too much? Never enough. My brain, she works every once in a while, and I was like, that's not the smartest thing to let people know where you are in the world right now. So sorry guys that I can't share this moment with you, but it's for my safety. I hope you understand. I don't want y'all to come snatch me up, come pick me up. Which I have to address a weird comment I got on here, and I hope he's watching because you made me slightly uncomfortable, sir. When I posted my vlog about like moving into school, or just moving to school in general, like when I posted my most recent college vlog, someone commented on the next video that I posted, they think it's the name of the school, which, girl, I'm not encouraging you to do deeper, more extensive research to get your facts straight, but it's like, as many times in that video that I said, I don't want to dox myself, you took that as, let me go find out. Let me slow down this video frame by frame and find out. It was not a challenge. I did not challenge you. I was just, I'll keep it to myself then. Because, fun fact, actually, really sad fact, but I feel like one of the signs of making it as a YouTuber is having a stalker. If you don't have a stalker as a YouTuber, you're not doing it right. You need to have a stalker, a snark page. You gotta have bitches doxing you 24/7. You should not be allowed to step out the house. Like, maybe it's like all LA influencers live in like the same vicinity in LA, and that's why it's so easy to find out where these girls' apartments are. But yeah, you're not popping, little bitch, if someone hasn't stalked you from your license plate. Didn't that just happen to Tara Yummy? But then it's also like, yeah, y'all get money, get bright pink cars, flashy custom plates, and you're surprised when someone's following you to your residence. Let's make three lefts and see what's going on, guys. We gotta be a bit more critical. I recently got this. I can't say I bought it because I had some coupons that gave it to me for free. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for the whatever brand made the roller lash, but I remember way back when Jeffrey was not canceled, Jeffrey and James and Jacqueline and all of them, he reviewed the roll and lash, and I forgot what he said about it, but if you want my opinion, this is Zariah Gardner approved. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Jeffrey. If he wasn't such a raging racist, he would be my favorite beauty guru, because he had that je ne sais quoi. There was an essence that no one has been able to capture since then. No one's opinion has held that much weight, because y'all are liars. Can't even follow FTC rules. Oh my god. This was a memory just triggered by me looking at myself in the mirror. But I just went on Thursday last week to take my passport picture, and why did this man say, he basically told me my makeup wasn't blended at first. I said, what do you know about makeup, sir? He's like, do you have cream or something on your face? It's like, it's a little oily. I said, what? Because they had this bright ass flash, had me in the darkest corner of the fucking DMV, and yeah, of course you're gonna get some glare. You're gonna get some glare. I'm shining like a glazed donut. I'm an oily girl. Yeah, I was just like, are you trying to say I look busted right now? But no, he was just trying to help me out. He said I need to go blot my face, is what he said. Which he wasn't wrong. You're not wrong, King. So I'm gonna be upset about my picture for the next 10 years. Don't talk to me about it. If I would have known that like the professional picture that the professionals were taking was gonna be raggedy, I would have took my own. He said, you can go to Walmart. Sir, I've already rescheduled this appointment twice. No, I can't. No, I can't. You gonna drive me to Walmart? I feel like it's my civil duty to let him know. But I'm just gonna move instead to cover him up, because yeah. I'm almost done. My third use for blush, because we are ingenious queens. We reduce, reuse, recycle. We find multiple purposes for one product. I'm going to a dot of chapstick on. Like that. And then that the blush matched the lips matched the blush matched the eyes. I could have put a little bit more on the eyes, but we're in the airport, not New York fucking Fashion Week. So, well, technically the airport is kind of like New York Fashion Week. You're supposed to be the airport crush that they see once and they think about the whole flight. But there's something missing. Lip gloss. And that's because it's in my backpack. And you're sitting on my backpack, so adapt, improvise, and overcome. And this is the final look. Okay. Time check. It is 12. Bitch, what? No, it's 9:43 and I still have 2 hours. What am I supposed to do with myself? Well, now what? Daddy, watch me twirl. We gotta find some actual business. my flight is getting ready to board, so this is probably the best place to wrap this video up. I'm sitting at the little Super Bowl machine, which has got a lot of traffic. This is like their favorite little gambling machine, I guess. It's all the men though, so they don't count. But yeah, it's been fun, it's been real, it's been fresh. If you had a good time, you know what to do. If you didn't have a good time, why are you still here? But yeah, hugs, kisses, XOXO, and I will catch you guys in the next video.